Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 10th, 2021. We're here to give you all the price prediction update into the market for Cardano. Simply put, you guys can see that the market is being real resilient into not dropping in price. So we're going to address that today on this video. But before I do, if today is your first time ever viewing our content and you all see how easy it is to get a gauge as to where price is going to go, then let me remind you to hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. We're not here to give you any of that FOMO and FUD. There's enough of that out in this space already. We're worried about the price and where price is going to go. And if you want to benefit from that, then make sure before you head out, subscribe and tap that bell notification. So it's been about 3 days, and you guys can see that in our last price prediction, which was right here on April the 7th, we told you all that we were going to expect the market in Cardano to continue to go lower in price. So actually, this is a follow-on from our price prediction that was done on April the 4th. And the market still hasn't done anything. You guys can see that the market is still trading sideways, which gives us a little bit more credibility as to where the market is going to go, right? Instead of the market dropping in price since April the 4th, it has to simply trade from left to right. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean that the market will continue to fall in price, or are we actually going to see Cardano do a breakout movement to the upside and break $1.30 higher? So first thing we're going to do is that it's a pretty good thing to see the market in Cardano maintain its strength even amidst all of this weakness that came in the market on these 2 trading days. This is the first one right here on April the 6th, and then again on April the 7th, and the market still didn't drop. So that tells me that the environment is still primed to continue to see higher price movement. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to take this prediction off, right? We're going to take it off right now to where the market is Cardano trading at right now. That's 3.85% at the downside loss, right? It happens. But it gives us enough time to actually gauge where the market in Cardano is still anticipated to go. So we're going to look at this on a different time frame to see if the market really is garnering that much strength to where we can see it break above $1.30. Looking at this on the 2-day time frame, I really don't see that monumental emphasis of strength here on the price chart. On the 3-day time frame, I'm seeing it a little bit better, but my concern is that in 2 days and 8 hours on this current 3-hour price bar, we definitely need to see that volume come through for Cardano. Okay, but generally there has been a lot of selling going on into the market in Cardano this whole time period, and the market hasn't even dropped. So there is where the trap is coming in, and he is filling up his bag for more Cardano tokens at this price. Now, why would he do that? There's only one reason why, because he's anticipating to sell it at a higher price at a later date. Okay, now let me look at this on a 5-day time frame, and here you guys can still see that the weakness is coming through into the market in Cardano. We've seen this 3 times. This is the first time, the second time, which is right here, and this is the 3rd time. So this is why I'm telling you all that this is where the market is finding more sellers than buyers, but the market is not reacting to it. So let me go ahead and take that off the chart. Just wanted to show you all that. And let me look at this on the weekly time frame, and even here on the weekly time frame, there's still weakness here. We have to address that. We have to notify that and show you all that there is still weakness here. So it's not all bells and whistles and roses into the market for Cardano to break out in price. That is not the case. There is still weakness here. So we need to keep that in the forefront of our mind to understand that, yeah, even though the market has not been reacting negatively to the weakness, it is still present, and it can still have a major impact on where Cardano is going to go. All right. So let me look at this on the hourly time frame real quick. And generally, I don't see a lot going on into the market in Cardano. It's still trading sideways. The market has been trading sideways in Cardano since March 26th. And here we are, 10 days into the month of April, and we're still trading sideways. Now, the problem that I see that will hold back the market in Cardano from going higher in price is what occurred on these volume bars right there. Okay, this area will have a big impact on how strong the market has to be and how high we can see the market go in Cardano. It took a lot of energy out the market right there when Cardano was trading around $1.30, $1.28. All that volume is still present, whether the market sold off there or whether the market bought there. We will have to see a pretty decent amount of volume to come through to break that to the upside. Okay, so let me look at this on the 3-hour chart. And generally there's still weakness here, but I'm not too concerned with the weakness. I still suspect that the market in Cardano is giving us strength. So we're going to play the strength in our video today. That's going to be our price prediction for Cardano. I just wanted to kind of gauge to see how high and strong the market will go in Cardano. So that's why we're looking at this on an hourly time frame right now. Okay, so the next hurdle in the market in Cardano would be for us to see this price break above this level, which is around $1.25, right? If we see the market break above $1.25, which we're currently seeing, then the market in Cardano will try to come up to $1.30 and try to break it to the upside. Okay, and considering how long we've been seeing this market in Cardano trend sideways, would definitely give us a bigger indication of how strong that market movement would be. Okay, so let's do this real quick. I'm going to go ahead and play a prediction into the market for Cardano so that we can all get in position and capitalize on the anticipated price movement for Cardano. So obviously the area of support in Cardano needs to be in or around our ascending line, as well as $1.10. We cannot see the market in Cardano break below $1.10 in order for us to continually have that ability to see Cardano go higher in price. Okay, so that's our area of support for Cardano, and I'm still looking at $1.30 as that area of restriction into the market in Cardano. So we will have to come into the market and take profits off the table there. I'm going to extend it up just a tad back up to around $1.36, which will garner us overall 11.10% profitability in that prediction. Okay, it could go a lot higher than that considering how long the market in Cardano has trended sideways. So I'm going to extend it up here towards $1.40. Okay, so that's it. We're in position. We spoke about what we're seeing on the price chart in Cardano and how the market is not reacting negatively to the weakness, which is why we're going to expect the price to go higher. And it's just that simple. So now we're in position. This is our expectation. This is what we think the trap is going to do. So now I want to give you all the opportunity to call the market right alongside with us. Tell me, where do you all expect the market in Cardano to go over the next 3 days? It might even be 6 days, considering how long the market has just been trending sideways. So drop us a comment in the comment section and let us know. And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.